Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students interested in web development, aspiring front-end developers, coding enthusiasts, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who wants to learn React programming deeply and build modern web applications confidently, this is especially for you. Nowadays, many students start learning React because it is very popular in web development. But after starting, many feel confused between JavaScript basics, hooks, routing, Redux, and many other tools. With so many tutorials and updates online, students often struggle to understand what to learn first and end up overthinking instead of building project and improving their skills. Don't worry, here's something helpful for you, a deep study roadmap for students in React programming language, information from Youthbuddy. To explore this, just visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the Education section, look for the IT and CS Courses Learning category, and open the study roadmap, then select the React option on that page. This roadmap is designed in a very structured and practical way, so students can understand how to move from beginner level to advanced React development step by step. Instead of randomly learning topics, you can follow a proper learning path and build strong skills gradually. First, start with the foundations before React. Learn HTML and CSS properly, including responsive design, flexbox, and grid. Then focus on JavaScript ES6 concepts like arrow functions, destructuring, promises, async and await, array methods, and modules. These basics are extremely important because React works heavily with modern JavaScript. Next, move into React basics. Learn how to create React projects using tools like White or Create React App. Understand JSX, components, props, and state management using useState. Practice event handling, conditional rendering, and working with lists and keys. These are the building blocks of every React application. Then start learning intermediate React concepts. This includes hooks like useEffect, useRef, and useContext. Understand forms, component reusability, React Router, and how data flows between components. At this stage, you will begin creating more interactive and dynamic applications. After that, explore state management and advanced React concepts. Learn Context API, Redux, Redux Toolkit, and other modern state management tools. Then move into performance optimization techniques like React.memo, lazy loading, custom hooks, and testing using Jest and React testing library. You can also start learning the React ecosystem, including Next.js for server-side rendering, React Query for data fetching, GraphQL integration, Tailwind CSS styling, and TypeScript with React. These technologies are widely used in professional development environments. Finally, focus on real-world practices and mastery-level topics. Learn project structuring, authentication systems, API integration, deployment platforms like Vercel and Netlify, Docker basics, and modern React features like server components and concurrent rendering. And most importantly, keep practicing through projects because real improvement comes from building. One great thing about this React roadmap is that it includes both beginner-friendly concepts and advanced professional-level topics in one continuous learning flow. Another useful part is that it covers modern tools and updated technologies that companies are currently using in real projects. The information is simple to follow, practical, and organized step by step, making it easier for students to stay focused without getting lost between so many resources online. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the Education section on the Youthbuddy website. Select Study Roadmap under IT and CS Courses Learning category and then select the React option on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.